Welcome everyone. Myself, Professor K.V. Kushare, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Rajashri Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasik. Okay, last lecture we discussed the what is meant by organization and its structure. Okay, next today's topic is specialization. What is the specialization in the any organization? How to progress and how to cycle created by the specialization. The first is point is the effective organization must be promote specialization. The activity of the enterprise should be the divided according to functions and assigned to personnel according to their specialization. Means any organization they are given some post or some department divided in a specialization. For one, suppose we taken a one example for given in figure, shown in figure. First is a farming. Okay, that is his specialization person. He divided in other department. Suppose another employee is a siding. They have work different as compared to first employees like your farming. Okay, then third person work doing is painting. Then the fourth person is work is inspection of this project or any object. Then last last employee is shipping. That is means figure shows the one by one person there is a cycle specialization cycle. The first suppose any organization, suppose we take an example for the Anand Eye Power company. Suppose piston rigs goes on a cycle like your production cycle. First employees first employees is suppose farming, then this product goes and siding, then this product goes another cycle like your painting, then your supervisor or your engineer as inspection of this project, and this project will be shipping out of plant. Okay, that is the specialization terms. Then another one is spam of control. What is the spam of control? We last time also we taken a one example related spam of control. We suppose organization head like your director body or your director is divided three departments like your purchase department, finance department, or manufacturing department. They given a one person of the head or each department like your manager 1, manager 2, or manager 3. Okay, that is your spam of control. Means every person has taken a responsibility of this department. The number of subordinate that any executive or manager can be supervised directly is called as span of control. Okay, a manager can directly supervise only limited number of workers. Suppose we take an example. Suppose director do not expand the manager 1, 2, 3 department. So what is process that time? Suppose director do not divide the three manager. What will do that time? Not divided that time. Okay, so suppose 100 worker are there under the director. Suppose very complicated condition, very problem created, the only one person is your director is not handle of 100 workers or 100 employed. So we divide the person first department like your 35, second department like your manager head divide again 35, or third one is divided into 30. Okay, 100 employee we divide in a three departments and also given department head like your manager. First department is 35 or employee, 35 again, second department 34, and third department 30. That time should employee have any problem to solve the manager, and very easy solve. How, why easy to solve this? That is the employee is limited number of worker or you limited number of employees are there, so manager easy to handle of them. Okay, that is the spam of control meaning. Hence it is a necessary to have a proper number of subordinate answerable to a manager. A maximum of 6 is normally acceptable for this purpose. That is a spam of control and easy to handle every manager them. Okay, that then what is the spam of control? The number of people who report to one manager is a hierarchy method. Okay, we discuss the next lecture what is the method. Okay, the number of people who report to one manager. Okay, and manager also report to director. Okay, this is very easy and understanding and controlling of the span of control. The more people under this control of the one manager, the wider the span of control. Then the less meaning a narrow span of control. That what example we taken one example like shown in figure. The span of control for the marketing manager. So one is your marketing manager. We divide the four different types of department like your marketing assistant, marketing research, okay, telesales supervisor or customer care assistant. Why manager, marketing manager divide the four department? Suppose number of complaints or number of problem are created, they solve the four departments. Do not solve the one department. So easy handle and easy to solve all the problem in a minimum time. Okay, that is the span of control. Then next one is the exception. What is the exception? The principle required that the organization structure should be designed that the manager are required to go throughout the exceptional matter only. Means suppose we divide the four department. Okay, a manager A, B, C. Suppose some critical problem, the employee goes to manager and manager solve the problem of employee. But many, if any time employee problem manager do not solve the problem, that time employees issue manager transport to director body. That time means the exception means any not more time but if any time. Okay, that is the exception concept. Means all the routine decisions should be taken by subordinate means your manager, but if any time do not handle the manager for the supervisor for your employees problem, that time employees goes directly to director body where the problem involving usual matter and policy decision. Okay, exception handling in Java, the shown in figure. Suppose one person is running, but expectation suppose under one stone they do not cross the stone ears. That take the person who taken his direction change directly to exponential handles. Okay, that is means we goes in a straight line, but that time your problem are not solved. So we go another way to how to problem will be solved. So second option is goes from another way. Another way is first way is employee goes to manager and solve the problem, but that time not solve the problem. The employee will directly other condition when directly goes to director body. Okay, that is expectation. Okay, the next is a scalar principle. This is also known as a chain of command. Three must be clear line of authority running from the top to bottom. Last few lecture also we discussed the management organization are the top to bottom and bottom to top. That is your the cycle means scalar principle. Authority is the right to decide, direct to coordinate. Every subcoordinate must know who is the supervisor is and who policy matter behind him on authority must be refer for decision. Okay, figure shows the 1 to 5 like your upward communication and like your E to A is the downward communication like your employee to director or director to employee. That is your scalar principle. Then the unity of command. The each subordinate should be have only one supervisor who command B has to obey. Dual subordination must be avoided for its causes and discover an indiscipline and undermine of authority. That is the unity of command. This figure shows the what is the example of unity of command. Now, like you are a teamwork is a very important words for teamwork is a very beneficial for any organization or any industry to how to grow our organization, how to grow our production or how to increase our market in competitor industry. Okay, that is the unit of command. Then next one is a delegation. The proper authority should be delegate at the lower level of the organization. We discuss the lower level means lower is employee, then subordinate your manager, then your general manager, then your chief executive officer, then your director. This is your low level organization. The authority delegate must be equal to the responsible. The manager should be have enough authority to accomplish the tasks assigned to delegation. Means uh, organization given some authority to manager to how to uh, problem solve, and any if any employee or any production line problem, how to solve and how to manage them. Okay, that is the all the responsibility of the manager, head of this department. Then figure show the delegation process, what is delegation process and how to proceed them. That like your choose appreciate person, then the set clear objective and plans, then implement, then monitor, then evaluate or review, and then choose the appropriate task. That is your the delegation process. Okay, thank you so much for listening my lecture.